So, you too. This is your boy life with Chippy Boy guys. Back with another bang. Back. Comment, big and subscribe now, guys. If y'all new guys, yeah, guys, your boy finally made up a new bigger video, guys. So yeah, guys, today is unlocking on the door prank. If because she on the door, right, guys? Right, guys, I'm gonna break my mom knocking on the door prank on my mom to see her reaction. She in the room. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna set it up. I set up my camera, guys. So yeah, we set up. So yeah, we set up here. Hold on, guys. Put you over here. So yeah, guys, this would be a good spot. I'm gonna try to see. There we go. Alright, guys. There's that like, comment, guys, like, comment, and subscribe right now.
I don't know. I think that should be Carlos. Carlos probably. That might be Carlos probably. Yeah. Maybe. I'm gonna see on the people. I'm gonna see on the people. Who is it? Oh no, man. That should be. That I feel like that should be the What? I'm trying to say because I don't know if that would be the Aaron's people.
I don't care, I don't know nothing. Who is it? Stop playing, I ain't even dressed. Stop doing that stuff for real. I don't like that.
Sorry.
Play too much these days. Curl on my head and don't put the.
Oh my god. Y'all, that's crazy. That's crazy, y'all. I literally got my mom. I feel so bad, I'm not gonna lie.
Don't stop for real. My hair was all my hands were all like that.
Sorry.
No, it ain't no play. I'm dead serious. Stop doing that.
Okay. Guys, she was really mad. That's her real reaction for her. That's insane, guys. I'm sorry. That's crazy, y'all. That's a like, comment, and subscribe to your boy, man. So, yeah. That's her real reaction. So, hope y'all like and subscribe to your boy, man. That's a big video, guys, for real. Literally, my mom thought it was like somebody in the dang door. Like, that's crazy. Like, hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I may not upload this, but I might upload. So, man, it is something matter. I might upload it. You feel me? So yeah, guys. Hope y'all like this video, guys. Hope y'all enjoy it. You feel me? So yeah, guys. That's a banger video. You feel me, guys? So yeah, guys. I'll see y'all in the next video. You feel me? So yeah. Hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, guys. And I feel really bad because y'all seen my mom have seen me putting in her damn skirt for real. But I might, I think we brewed that out. So yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed that video, guys. So yeah, love y'all. God bless. That way. You did.